Hello, this is Anand. I will explain about internal combustion engine, the engine which is used in automobile, mainly in bike, car, and heavy commercial vehicle as well. There are two types of IC engine on the basis of fuel used. First is petrol engine and other one is diesel engine. On the basis of stroke, there are two types of engine, 4-stroke, 2-stroke. On the basis of design, there are two types of engine again, vertical and horizontal. And let us know the part of engine, the is the main component of IC engine. Here we can see this is spark plug, this is crankshaft, piston, inlet valve, exhaust valve, and this is the cylinder where piston moves up and down. To and fro motions occur in this area. Here flywheel will be attached, which will store energy and help to rotate and used for the further rotation. Piston, then piston cylinder. This one is the piston cylinder where pistons moves to and fro. This is a bottom dead center and this is the top dead center. How engine works will be explained with this diagram. Here we can see the there are 4 stroke: suction, compression, combustion, and exhaust. In a suction stroke, we can see pistons moves from up from the top dead center. This one is the top dead center, and this is the bottom dead center. From top dead center to bottom dead center, pistons moves from here and comes till here. In this, inlet valve is open. This we can imagine in a practical way as a syringe where the where one side is open and other side the piston is pulled. This is the first stroke, which is said to be suction stroke, and the next is compression stroke. In this, both the piston valves are closed. Air fuel mixture comes inside and compressed at the compressed till the maximum point. Once compression is done, spark plug work start. Give a spark. As we know, the compressed air fuel mixture has a high temperature and high pressure. When a spark comes inside, ignition temperature reaches and it with a spark it gets a blast, which makes power stroke in this directly. It very at a high speed, pistons moves down, and as I said it earlier, we have flywheel here which stores energy, and due to inertia flywheel work takes the piston again to the top dead center from bottom dead center, and exhaust valve exhaust valve is open in this at this time, so the burnt gas gets out of the cylinder head. The diagram of two-stroke engine is shown in this figure. In four-stroke engine we have seen it has valve. In this we have port. we have exhaust port, transfer port, inlet port, spark plug. In the upcoming lecture, I will explain about the alternative fuels and also how actually our diesel engine works and how petrol engine, which is also said to be auto engine, works. Thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.